Peeps, it's Storm 3777 cash reserve. I've gotten some Emerald 9s and Bonanzas, and they are just like this morning with some other tickets jumping around before work. Nothing. I mean, it was dud. But these have given me, I had a 15 and a 10 already on this, and this is about the 5th ticket I got. And we got the win all down here. So the numbers, of course, are irrelevant. And let's see what we got going on here. Oh, there's a 10. There's a, oh, shit. Oh, shit. Well, you know, I was talking about, we missed out on a $200 winner yesterday, Sunday. Well, we didn't miss out this time. Fuck no, we didn't miss out this time. $200 winner, baby. Woohoo! Oh, gosh. Can't even hold it steady. I'm sorry, guys. Damn, that was better than I expected. Bam! Boom! $200, baby. Sweet! Bam! Well, that made me feel better. Alright, y'all. Peace out. That was awesome.